in our own eyes. And brothers and sisters, the Lord is saying, y'all, that we got
back at it again. What's up, YouTube? I am back on the way to the gym because I pulled up to the gym at first, but I forgot my shorts, so that kind of threw a wrench in the plans. So I missed my workout, so I'm about to get my cousin Holland trained up real quick, get her a quick workout, and then after that I'm gonna link up with my guys, go to the game and get a workout after that. And I hope you guys enjoy the content. Like I say, like, subscribe. And something cool happened when I was at church today too. I want to let you guys know. I went up to one of the cameramen, and his name was Mr. Mays. He was real nice, and he brought me upstairs to a media room and introduced me to a guy named Patrick. And they're gonna help me get introduced to the media ministry for the church. So I thought that's real cool. I already have a pretty full plate, so I'll see how I can be able to squeeze that into my day. But I'm really excited. I've never really been involved with the church other than like just showing up to church pretty much for the most part, and this is a pretty cool opportunity to learn, get tips on my camera skills, and do it for the Lord, you know. So this is a awesome opportunity. Like I said, very excited. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Let's get it. You're 4, 8, 9 left. Oh yeah, this is my bad. Let me go voicemail. Time to record. And all right. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cozy coming right back at you. You see, we out and about, stepping out for once, usually in the gym, but we taking it to the Grizzlies today. We got a good game on our hands. We finna see them play the Pacers. We're gonna see Mr. Morant put a show on for show. Got the boys with me. We finna enjoy the night. Y'all stay tuned, enjoy the content. It's your boy Cozy once again. Deuces. All right, guys, here coming at you again, your boy Cozy, giving you a halftime report. Came off to a slow start, but it seems we're starting to pick it back up. 12 got a few buckets at the end of the second quarter to help give us a boost. So I think we can pull it out. We just gotta slow down on letting the other team get all these open threes, and they've been getting a lot of offensive rebounds, but we kind of in the slump right now, but I think they about to figure it out tonight. Big home win on the way. Once again, it's your boy Cozy. We'll come back at you at the end of the game. Deuce.
touching from places
Get up.
ending. I forgot to tell y'all how the Grizzly game ended. So it was looking rough, but we managed to make some stops, get some rebounds, push in transition, and pull the game out in a 10-point, 11-point victory. The team did their thing, 12. He then went out there and got him about 26, something like that, about 14, 15 assists. He went nuts. Brandon Clark, all the role players, everybody did their thing for real. So it was a good team win overall. We needed to bounce back. We was on a 5-game losing streak, but looks like they finna turn it up. But what I got for you guys today, it's gonna be a light little cardio workout. Gonna hop on treadmill, get about 10 minutes on there, get a burnout on that, get some pull-ups going. After that, get some push-ups going, and I'll probably just end out doing a little abs and call it good, so we can just get a short little workout. It's pretty late. It's like 10:45 right now. I'm bringing this work in for you guys. I'm pulling out this energy out my body for you. So you guys stand up, get ready. Let's get it. Get active. It's your boy Cozy. We finna have some fun. I haven't had a late workout in a minute. I'm excited for this. I hope you guys are too. Hard work beats talent when talent fails to work hard. Come on, let's get it. Woo! I ain't ready in a minute. We're at the 2-minute warning. When it gets to 9 minutes, I'm gonna go all out, 10 speed for 1 minute. Incline is going all the way down, but I'm gonna try to hold that 10 speed for 1 minute. Woo! You already got that 100 ball. 100 calories, 100 calories. That's a good little burn. Ignore my hair, I ain't got a haircut. I'll be straight on Tuesday, so none of y'all get on the cut.
When it comes to citing sources, details matter. Introducing Grizzlies citations features. Instant, automated, and seamless. Get your citation in seconds without leaving your research article.
All right, we'll knock out some pull-ups first, guys. We're gonna knock some pull-ups out first.
Even top students and strong writers make mistakes. Missing commas, typos,
20 seconds. We don't want to lose our burn. We don't want to lose the burn. We want to keep it going, continuous throughout this set. We got all them bangs. 3 more left, 3 more left. I got about 10 more seconds and I'm back up here. I'm gonna put the hat back on because y'all got me self-conscious. I'm thinking about that hairline right now. Next set. We're going for 10. We're going for 10 at least. Come on. After this, we're about to start transferring our way over to push-ups. We're gonna balance and focus on getting as low as possible before coming back up. I'm gonna go for 4. You heard it, 4 sets, 20 to 25 push-ups. I'm gonna see if I can even get 10 to 15 because I ain't done these in quite some time. So we're gonna see how I'm feeling. We're gonna push it to the limit and go from there. Y'all gonna like what I got for that, so stay tuned. I just love when I'm with you. Yeah, this was all 10. Y'all don't know Drake's my favorite artist of all time. Let's get it. You know I gotta get it for the snap. You know I gotta get it for the snap. Honestly, to all y'all, I know sometimes we get tired, we get weary, we got moments in our life where we got weakness and a lot of failure, but y'all gotta look at failure as growth opportunities. Don't always look at negative perspectives. Think of the good things. The fact that you got to wake up in the morning. The fact that you got to see your mama. You got to see your pops. They still alive. Your children healthy. You healthy. I mean, we take these little things for granted, guys. I'm for real. Just really think about that. Think about the people you got closest to you. Try to take care of them. This is the last set right here. This is the last set right here. This is the last set right here. Gonna knock it out. One more crazy set of push-ups. I'm just gonna go all out on here, see if I can get 30, maybe push 40. I'll see. I'm gonna push the best of my abilities. Knock one more set out on squats. And then we'll get into some Bosu ball work. And then we'll probably call it good for real. I just want to get a quick little cardio session and get you guys in the gym. So we're gonna knock this out right now. Let's see what we got in the bag. Let's see what we got. Ooh, right into it. Jump lunges, we got 20 of them. Let's go. Not tired. It's all for show. You know we got the Bosu ball work right after this set. Last set, inhale. I'm gonna do as many lunges as possible. Then we're gonna get our high jumps. I don't know the technical name. Once again, I'll pull that up for y'all. Just forgot it, but we used to do this in basketball. Great for the hamstrings, great for the gas, great for your balance, flexibility, all that good stuff. And it works on your mobility. So here we go. We're gonna get right to it. So guys, I don't think I even told y'all what my goal is when it comes to fitness. It's gonna change at certain points throughout my life, depending on my health, depending on what part of life I'm in, all that. Currently, I'm trying to cut back down a little bit, at least probably like 5 pounds, get about that off of the body fat I got left. I don't got too much left, but I want to clear that out the way before I start trying to bulk up. Currently, I'm about 202, 203, somewhere in that range. Preferably, I want to get down to like 195, 190 before I start to put muscle back on. Because I naturally, I'm 6'2", and I kind of have a wide frame. It just depends on your body type, and I got a pretty slow metabolism. I put weight on quicker than I can get it off. So I typically gotta be a little bit more careful when it comes to my diet and all that. So my goal for now, I'm trying to get to go down to 195 and put my weight back up to about 215, 220 of muscle, and see how it's looking, see how I like it, and we'll go from there. But we're almost at the end of the workout. I'm gonna knock out a little bit more abs, and we will call it good because I am checked out. It's important to try to control your motion with this workout and keep your core tight. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed my workout. Today it was just a crazy little cardio blend that I put together. I will leave everything in the description that I put into my workout. Watch the full day that I put on. This video is probably gonna be pretty long when I try to cut it down. I'm gonna try to get less than 30 minutes. We'll see what I can do. But once again, I'm glad that you guys could join me. I hope you guys do love the videos, like, subscribe, share me. I'm really trying to put a positive message out to you guys and put a positive message out to the world in general. I want to see everybody be successful. I want to see things go everyone's way, but we know often, sometimes in life, things just don't happen that way. But you gotta have something in your life to motivate you, to keep you moving, something to wake you up in the morning. Stay motivated, do what you do, keep your head up, don't worry about what people got to say about you, stay confident, and keep moving the way you move. Once again, it's a Cozy production. Enjoy, deuces. We got some good work today. We got some good work today. Get up out of here, man. Let me get up out of here till next time. Big Cozy.